Welcome to Shutdown Barbers.
Thank you. I've heard good things. I've heard that they do the best fadeaway since LeBron.
Wow, was that upon that you came up with yourself
I
by
did,
yourself? Sorry.
on the spot.
Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah. So what hairstyle are you looking for today?
Um, standard fade, innit?
Standard fade.
Standard
Yeah.
fade.
Mm.
Cut the sides, leave the top.
Simple as.
What can I say, fam?
We've got a world-renowned barber here with us.
What's his name?
I'm not at liberty to disclose.
You're not gonna drop government like that.
Yeah, I think you have to ask him yourself privately behind the cameras.
Okay. Right.
So
like that.
yeah, just for
Confidentiality.
yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. So I hope you have a good time here.
Thank you.
Yeah, make sure to leave a like on the App Store.
On the App Store.
Yeah,
You guys have an app.
yeah.
What's the app called?
Shutdown Barbers.
Shutdown Barbers. How am I spelling this? Shutdown Barbers.
Yeah.
I can't.
I think
Maybe it's my internet.
you got an iPhone 4 or something. So.
Oh, okay. Hey, this barber is like good though. Like.
Yeah, he's on my hair.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm wearing a hat, because it's that good.
Oh, because you don't want to show the world
No.
the beauty of it. Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
So where's the barbers?
It's just around the corner. So you take a left here.
Is that him?
All right, mate. How you doing?
You,
You here for a car?
what are you just looking at, man?
Just the match.
The match.
It was a great game.
Just tell us some of the clients that you worked on before.
My first ever car, P Diddy,
P Diddy.
Pratik Diddy,
Pratik Didi.
I thought you were talking about like.
like Puff Daddy.
Pratik Didi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a brother. What's his name? Oddies.
Oh, these.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah, he's like
I had,
he's like a big celebrity, isn't it?
I thought because like he's ghosted. He ghosted because like
No.
something
But
something
no,
went.
he didn't go because of the haircut.
Nah. We upgraded today, so we've got a lever now.
Oh, you can
Who's sponsoring the car?
Kodak.
go there.
Shout Kodak.
Sharp Kodak. But you in for a fade? Or are you for a fade?
I hope so.
Um,
And you weren't looking at how to fade on the phone just now, were you?
I was looking at the match.
What match?
It was a friendly match. Kodak versus.
We're in for a great experience.
I hope so.
Because I've personally
Let
been
me give you
through.
a sneak peek.
Babe,
Oh,
you've got.
He's in for full body head to toe treatment.
No, I'm not. We're not.
Take it how you want to take it.
We are not doing that.
all of that.
Front and back of the head. Because obviously you have to cut the front, you cut the back, and have to cut the front and the back.
I am very scared.
Welcome to the salon.
This is I like this one with nature.
Yeah.
This is
We went for more of an outdoor kind of feel. So you're one with nature. Nice cut, nice the breeze and just, maybe take your glasses off.
Oh, sorry, thank you.
You can keep them on, but that's on you.
There'll
And
be a line in. So when we talk about cuts, how far do you want to go?
I want a medium to high skin fade. You know best.
because you've had a
We work with the texture.
you had a lot of
You have
experience.
to work with the texture of the hair, and so I'm just kind of
I do have to say I have a very dry scalp.
do you have a comb?
I don't have a comb.
Oh, you don't?
This is your barber's.
Sorry, have you not?
We usually advise our clients to bring their own combs due to the coronavirus pandemic.
Do you have an ID card? Right.
Oh, we can use that as a comb.
How was the haircut?
Yeah, commence.
Wait, can I just make my duos, please?
Okay.
You want a fully closed one, isn't it?
I hope so.
I'll come back to check on the progress later time. So
Goodbye.
goodbye.
Thank you.
See, it's going quite good.
I bloody hope so.
So I'm just going for a closed one here.
Close the one. Okay.
Yeah. Trying to.
I personally, I think if you leave it like that, it'll be good.
Okay, well, if you say so, I can't tell.
3 hours later.
So, have you done anything else?
What?
I don't know, son.
We're trying to get an even cut, as you see, like
I beg you, eyes on the hair, innit?
the sea ocean.
Yeah.
Us barbers, we don't have to look at the hair. We just cut at this.
Yeah.
Please, I like. You get what I'm saying? Though? That's slightly above the guideline, isn't it?
I think you'll be the talk of Eden Road. How you feeling?
You know when you're in the barbers
Mm.
and you close your eyes and you just hear the.
Yeah.
It's like meditation, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You have to close your eyes and hopefully
Hope for the best.
the barber knows what he's doing.
So now, what I'm doing is just change from the 1 guard to the 2 guard.
Is that number 2? Number 2. Okay. Yeah, I didn't really see it, but
So
hurry up, son. We don't have all day. Cool. So, the sound the clip is making, it's not really a good sign.
So like this sound is usually like the blending sound. So when you know, like when you hear this sound, that's how you know it's
It's blending.
I swear it means that it's running out of charge.
Take it how you want to take it.
But what's fun? Have you got electricity?
We do.
There's a standard rate that applies, £1.50 plus your network charge.
To charge the clipper?
All votes sent in after the competition deadline will still be charged.
This is a competition.
But we nonetheless thank you for your support. So yeah, so far so good.
If you say so. But I think we'll need to be back after our sponsors.
Cool.
Be right back.
At Shutdown Barbers, we give the full treatment.
Full treatment.
Hey boss, you want chef?
Can I have a military cup, please?
Of course you can.
Sorry, wait, I thought you were having a fade.
No, he just realised that he wanted to move.
He had an epiphany.
I wanted a fade like LeBron, but got a fade away like all these. So, who are you taking pictures for? Where is this going?
The Shutdown Barber page.
I'm unfollowing.
If you change your mind, we can give you a free one next time.
Free what?
A free haircut.
I don't think I'll be coming back.
I've got plenty of regular customers.
Like Pratik Didi.
Pratik Didi. Hadis Dai.
Ani.
Bloody Pultakaranga.
Are you sure you don't wanna use the hot spot right there?
That looks
So we've got authentic oak wood, bespoke.
That looks very small for me. I don't think I'll fit in that. So is it good?
So as you can see, just do the military cut.
Can I just see? Yo, what the?
No, wait, let me see the back. What?
You're fired. You are fired.
What? You actually gave him the bowl cut.
You are fired.
I gave him an Epping's fade.
I'm gonna cut this hair myself now.
What?
That's what it's got to. You're fired from this shop. Go, leave.
Leave.
What fade?
What a fade, fam.
This is my first ever fade.
Yeah.
So you know, like it's going well. Well, you missed the patch.
Leave
Leave it like this.
it like that. I'm actually honestly liking that style.
So
this is the new 2022 style.
This is a modern 2022 style. So I was
in the future, in 2050, I think everyone will be rocking this kind of.
yeah, let me just
So you just let it grow out as well.
Yeah.
shape up.
Whoa, that's the wrong side. How are you doing it like that, you little joker? This is what you call a true barber's experience. You let the customer cut the hair,
Yeah,
and the barber just guides you.
At Shutdown Barbers, that's what we do.